Carpet offers so many possibilities. From solids to patterns in nearly any hue found on the color wheel, it can brighten a space to make it feel more open, or it can be muted to create an intimate atmosphere. Carpet's trademark softness and warmth underfoot add to its appeal. The popularity of luxury vinyl plank and luxury vinyl tile is showcased with looks from trendy to timeless. The textures and colors provide a room with panache. The unmistakable performance propels luxury vinyl as a natural choice for practically any room. The allure of LVP and LVT is undeniable. For exceptional carpet and desirable luxury vinyl tile and plank, the Dixie Group emerges at the top with 3 breathtaking brands: Dixie Home, Fabrica, and Masland. Dixie Home is the epitome of fashionable, affordable flooring paired with impeccable performance. Its carpet is made from premium branded yarn, producing fresh designs to create an ambiance of casual elegance. Its true core LVT showcases looks from trending to timeless, which complement or define any decor. Dixie Home is high style at moderate prices without sacrificing quality. Fabrica is recognized for timeless beauty and exceptional quality. It allows bold statements to be made in nearly any room. The breadth of options has a balance of strength and comfort. The most demanding segments of high-end style residences embrace its distinctive choices. Fabrica is truly quality without compromise. Masland is the essence of excellence. This trusted name provides the highest quality. It is at the forefront of innovation, originality, and style. The array of selections dazzles the eye while providing comfort for every indoor path. Exquisite styles and colors are paired with impressive durability to create a lasting impression. Masland is a brand that endures. Visit your local ProSource Wholesale showroom to experience these fabulous brands firsthand. Dixie Home, Fabrica, Masland. Make any remodel remarkable with flooring that's fashionable, dependable, and enviable.